When you purchase an Anstinct extension board, you're covered by a solid 2-year warranty. If you encounter a manufacturing defect, you can request a one-time replacement. Just make sure to have your proof of purchase handy. If you've already used that option or prefer repairs, we've got you covered there too. Simply send the product to our service center and we'll inspect and repair it within 13 to 16 days. To make a warranty claim, ensure the warranty barcode is visible and provide 4 clear images: the front, back, warranty sticker, and a close-up of the wire. Don't forget a video showing the issue. Keep in mind, this warranty doesn't cover damage from misuse, power surges, or normal wear and tear. Always retain your original receipt and reach out to our customer service at anstinct.suomon@gmail.com to get started. Remember, we only process claims for products bought through authorized dealers. If we can't repair or replace, we'll offer an alternative of equal value. Your satisfaction is our priority.